Ninja blenders are gaining in popularity because they are affordable and yet, they perform very well, with most of them being marketed as having total crushing technology. Additionally, most of them are compact, with small motor bases that occupy very little space on your kitchen countertop. That said, there are quite a variety of Ninja blenders in the market, and this means that it might be challenging to pick a good one for the job. Today we are going to review top 5 Ninja blenders of this year, and we are going to start our list with Shark Ninja QB1004. Shark Ninja's QB1004 is a unique Ninja blender because it features a top-mount power pod instead of a motor base. Basically, this means that the motor is mounted above the pitcher when blending. Despite this design, the unit still features a 6-blade assembly for the pitcher, which is very effective at crushing fruit to form smoothies or purees. It also comes with a 4-blade assembly for its other jars. However, this particular model features a less powerful 450-watt motor, which is not powerful enough for crushing ice or frozen fruits, and thus, these should be avoided. On the bright side, it comes with a 48-ounce pitcher, a 40-ounce food processor and a 16-ounce chopper bowl, in which the power pod can be quickly interchanged between them for convenience. This makes it the top-rated Ninja blender in this review. To make it even better, the set is relatively affordable, although the power pod only has a single-speed pulse technology for running the unit. In terms of maintenance, all the jars are dishwasher safe, including their storage lids. These parts are also BPA-free, and this makes them safe to use for food and drink making. As always, the link is in the description below. Shark Ninja's BL688 is a powerful countertop blender that has the ideal features for making smoothies. For starters, it is run by a strong 1200-watt motor, which has the capability to pulverize ice to snow in seconds so that you can make smoothies and other frozen drinks. This performance is further enhanced by a 6-blade assembly, which cuts the ice from multiple angles to fasten the pulverization process. You get Auto IQ technology, which runs the smoothie, frozen drink and puree presets, and this ensures that the process is done automatically while extracting the most nutrients from the fruits, vegetables or other ingredients inside the pitcher. For safety, the unit's 72-ounce blending jar, blades, and lid are BPA-free and are even dishwasher safe, which makes it very easy to clean up after making your frozen drinks. The only problem is that this piece is very expensive. Ninja's BL610 is quite similar to the BL660 in terms of design and functionality. For instance, it has a similar 72-ounce blending jar that is perfect for making large batches of drinks for a large family. The blender has the same 6-blade assembly that allows it to crush ice and frozen fruits very fast. This is coupled with a powerful 1000-watt motor, which provides the required torque to the blades to blast through ice and hard fruits with ease. For speed, this motor's output is controlled via 3 settings, which include a low, medium and high, with the low being good for soft fruits such as bananas and strawberries, while the high tackles apples and other hard fruits. In addition to this, the unit has a pulse setting for crushing things such as ice to snow, and also giving you more manual control over the blending process so as to achieve your preferred smoothie or puree texture. On maintenance, the pitcher is dishwasher safe, and this makes it very easy to clean. It is also BPA free, which means that it is very safe to use. Again, the link is in the description. Shark Ninja's QB900B is the most affordable blender in this review, but it is also among the best because of its highly desirable features. For starters, the unit comes with a 48-ounce pitcher as well as a 16-ounce chopper, and this makes it a blender as well as a food processor that is ideal for a small family or for personal use. Each of these jars has a non-slip base, an anti-splash guard and an easy flip pour spout for convenience when serving your smoothie or puree. In terms of design, an interchangeable top-mount power pod, just like in the QB1004 above, is used. This one though is less powerful, featuring a 400-watt motor, and this makes it unsuitable for blending hard fruits or crushing ice. However, what the blender does not have in terms of power, it makes up for this by being small and lightweight, which makes it very portable and easy to store under kitchen cabinets. The unit is also very easy to use, featuring a simple 1-speed pulse control that is activated by pressing a large ergonomic button at the top of the power pod. Shark Ninja's BL660 is the best overall blender because it is quite powerful and very simple to use. It has a powerful 1100-watt motor that runs 6 blades, which are fixed on a central rotating shaft, and this results in superior blending capabilities. For starters, the powerful motor makes it capable of crushing ice and frozen fruits, which means that this unit can be used to make cold and creamy smoothies and purees. The 6 blades, on the other hand, makes it blend with ease because they hit the ingredients inside from different angles. In terms of speed, this blender has 3 of them, which include a low, medium and high speed, and tops this off with a pulse setting for manual control over the blending process and a single serve function for making smoothies directly in the Ninja cups. On capacity, the BL660 features a 72-ounce pitcher, which is big enough to make drinks for the whole family and has a diamond-shaped design that helps in creating powerful vortices that help in circulating the ingredients inside for even blending. Other than this, there is the option of getting 16 and 24-ounce Nutri Ninja cups, although these significantly raise the price of the blender. On the bright side, these help you to easily make smoothies and use the same cup to carry the drink wherever you go. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.